Hey guys, it's that time of the month again where I got my nature box. I'm so excited, like always. Some of my items are repeats. I actually had a discrepancy with my box this month because apparently they've been having inventory problems because so many people have signed up for Nature Box, which is awesome. It means more people are willing to eat healthy now. So I've opened some of these because I got hungry after my workout yesterday, so I tried a lot of these items already. So instead of tasting them for you guys and you guys listening to me smack, I'll let you know how I feel about them. Like usual, they gave me my product list, and I mean, even on here they told me they replaced one of my items, but they were nice enough. I called them and they told me how to fix that and that they were going to fix it for future references. So the first item I tried was the salted caramel pretzel pops. It was filled up to here. It has 4.5 servings. I had a good serving or two last night snacking with my husband. And these are actually really good. You can taste more of the salt than the sweet of the caramel, and there's more pretzel in it than the coating itself. So I was really happy with this. I don't know if I'm going to be getting this again, only because I'm working on taking out basically certain like grains and the carbs and stuff. But this is definitely something I would eat on a Friday night watching a movie with the kids and the family instead of grabbing some Doritos and chips. Next one is the Granny Smith apples. I really like these. These are tart like the Granny apples, but it has a little bit of a crunch slash chewy feel to it. It's not like the California peaches where you basically have to work to break off a piece and chew it and all that stuff. It's actually a little bit of a snap, and it's really easy to eat. So yeah. The next item I have was the lemon tea biscuits. So anybody that likes the lemon Girl Scout cookies, you would actually like this. And they're really small. And I actually gave some of these to my kids and they just absolutely loved them. And this is about 4 servings, and it says 12 cookies are 1 serving, so that is awesome to me. As for the Granny apples, I probably should have showed you guys this. This has exactly 2 servings, and it takes 10 rings to even get to a serving size, but that's what it looks like. And like I told you guys, it easily breaks, so I really like that about these. Next up, my dried California peaches. I absolutely loved these last month, and you guys already know how I feel about it. These are definitely going to be in my arsenal for a while. And the last is the Fuji apples. I actually haven't tried this, and this was actually the product that they replaced my praline pumpkin seeds with. So these are a little chewier from what I can see than the Granny apples, and they're not as tart as the Granny. Actually, okay, there's tart, but these aren't as tart, but they're a little tart. They're green apples as well, dehydrated. So that's my nature box for the month. Hopefully you guys are motivated to start eating healthy if you're not already, and maybe this will be a good alternative for those that are looking for better snacking habits. But until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Love you much. Bye.